What do you think? Should we make a reel together? Let's try it. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create one of my reels, and I'm going to share every step of the way, but very quickly, not to take your time. So let's take a look at the Reels Planner. The third idea here, 3 books that help you make more money, The Way to Wealth, Financial Independence, and Think and Grow Rich. So I have prepared them here, the images of each of them, so I can show them on my reel. And you see all of them are ready. So let's begin. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare my set for the first shot. And for that, I need this tool here. So I need to cut down the sound. Doing one thing several times. So here I have, let me just record it on my phone as well. So here I have different videos, as you can see. For example, the final video, which is about call to action. It took me, for example, it's a 51 second video. The rest of them, you see, each of the videos are each of the shots. I took it 3-4 times. And then I'm going to select the best of them. So let's edit the videos. I'm gonna save video as a new clip as well. So you see, I got my beginning and I got my final shot, and let's edit the rest of them. For example, down the part that I want. Now I'm going to add text to it. So I'm going to jump on Instagram and go to the stories, and here I'm going to upload them, bring them here and add text. For example, this is the first shot, right? Three books that will help you to learn more about, what was the topic? 3 books that help you make more money. So that's the title here. 3 books that, I'm gonna add the book icon as well. 3 books that help you make more money, for example, right? I'm going to put a white background and alignment to center, and the position of it is good, right? I'm gonna bring it a little bit lower. 3 books that help you make more money. And I can add the filters that I want to it. And when I'm done with this clip, I'm going to save it, right? Okay, let's go for the next one. And the final video. Okay, follow for more. I'm going to put 4 more on the next line. So, okay, that's okay. Anyway, I'm gonna put it here. So I point out to it, right? And add the style and save it. Alright, now I have all my videos ready to mix them in the reel. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna click on reel, and at the bottom of the screen I have my videos. So the first one will be 3 books that help you make more money. I'm gonna add that. And the next one will be number 1, Benjamin Franklin, The Way to Wealth. And number 2 will be The Financial Independence by Jim Rohn. It's a great book. And you see at the top it will show me how much time I have left. So this book is taking a lot of time. I'm going to decrease it and start, for example, from here and cut the last part. Later we can edit it as well, but I want to show you how it's been done here. Again, I'm going to decrease the length of it a bit, maybe a little more, add, and our call to action, follow for more, right? I'm gonna just let it be the way it is, maybe till here, it's fine. Okay, now we are done, and we can go on the next part. So this is the reel that we have made. So boom, when I point out, we go. I think I have to cut a bit more. So we have 6 seconds to show all the books, 1.8 second, yeah, for the first clip, and for our call to action, 2.3 seconds, right? That would be all. So I have mixed it, my video is ready, and all I need is a good sound. So what I'm going to do now is to look for a good sound, right? I'm going to increase the sound here, and also turn off my own sound here. So the videos that we recorded, we don't need the sounder. And while you one thing is that while you are just watching different reels on Instagram, you can save the audio, and later here you see it is written saved. I can click on saved and come to the audios that I have saved.
Some people don't like. Dream of gardens in it. And here he is again.
Let's see if this sound. So one thing I can do here, I'm not sure if you saw it. So let me just come here. Yeah, more or less it's ready. So now we have the music, we have mixed our clips, we have text on each slide, each shot, and it's ready. I'm going to add all of the information that I need in the next part here. First of all, let's select a cover for it. Usually, if you can create a cover before on, for example, your computer or with Photoshop or stuff like that, that's good. If not, you can just select one of the good shots or good frames from your videos and just fix it, okay? So for example, this one, it's not so bad. I have the title, 3 books that help you make more money, right? So the cover is good. I'm gonna quickly write a caption for it. All right, so as you saw, I have created the reel and added all the information that I need, and I just saved it as a draft. I didn't publish it. And when I go to my page and go to the reels, you see here it is. It is saved as a draft. So if I click on it and I can select it, I'm gonna check the cover image. You see the profile grid have changed. I need to bring it down again so the title would be visible. I can click on edit to make sure the audio is right. Yep, the audio is fine. Again, next. Sometimes when you go back and come again, the cover photo will change. It's okay. And it's ready. I have my caption here. And all I'm going to do now is to share it. And it's sharing it. And I'm going to refresh it here. And you see, now the draft is gone. And I have my video ready here. Okay, so here it is. So that was all for this lecture, and I wanted you to see in real life how it is to create a reel and what are all the challenges and the steps that I took to create this reel, so you get familiar with all the stuff and all the things that you saw. And it took me about, I don't know, 20-30 minutes to create this reel, edit it and write everything and mixing all the stuff. So if you spend, for example, 1 day on creating reels, you can create, for example, 10 or a little bit more great reels for your Instagram page. And 2 days every month will provide all the reels that you need during the whole month. Okay, so that would be all. Let's go for the next one.